Hello students, welcome to UMaths class. I hope you all are eager to learn new concept with me. Are you ready students? Yes. Let us start. Today's video is about understanding congruent segments, angles and circles. Let us understand first about congruent segments. If two line segments have the same lengths, they coincide exactly with each other, then they are congruent. Observe this on-screen figure. Segment AB and segment QP both are of same length of 5 centimeters. So, segment AB and segment QP are congruent to each other. Congruence of segments can be shown by a symbol of tick marks on the segments. It can be 1 tick, 2 ticks or more, but number of tick marks should be same in both the segments. Same number of tick marks on the two segments are said to be congruent. This on-screen figure, seg AB and seg CD are shown by the congruence symbol is double tick, and it is written by using this symbol. Now we have understood line segments that have the same length are called congruent segments. Let us understand by this example. Let us use the divider to find the measure of each segments, and if the measure of each segments are equal in length, then they are congruent to each other. Segment MG is congruent to segment NG. Segment NG is congruent to segment GR. Segment MG is congruent to segment GR. Segment GR is congruent to segment GE. Segment GB is congruent to segment GC. Let us see another example. On the line below, the distance between any two adjoining points shown on it is equal. Let us fill the blanks. You can observe here segment AB is congruent to segment BC, segment QP, segment PZ, segment ZY, segment YX, segment XW, segment WA, segment AB and segment BC. So, you can write any one of the answer from these segments. Now let us see segment AP is congruent to which segments. Segment AP is congruent to segment WQ. Segment WQ is congruent to segment ZB. Segment ZB is congruent to segment YC. So you can write any one of the answer for this congruent segments. Let us find the congruent of seg AC. Seg AC is congruent to seg QZ. Seg QZ is congruent to seg PY. PY is congruent to ZX. ZX is congruent to YW. YW is congruent to XA. XA is congruent to AC. So, you can have any one of the answer for this question. Here we have observed if one line segment is congruent to another and that segment is congruent to a third, then the first segment is also congruent to the third. Let us understand congruence of angles. If two angles have the same measures, then they are congruent to each other. Congruent angles are marked with the same number of arcs. The symbol for congruence is this. While writing congruent angles in text, we use this symbol. For example, on the screen, angle 3 is congruent to angle phi. Congruent angles can be adjacent or they may be separate. Observe this on-screen figure. It shows that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Observe here we use double arcs. This arc notation states that angle x congruent to angle z. That means measure angle x is equal to measure angle z. Congruency of angle can be shown by using same number of tick marks on their angles too. Note here, the congruence of angles does not depend on the length of their arms. It depends upon the measures of those angles. I am sure you must have understood the concept of angle congruency. Right, students? Yes. Observe the given angles and write the names of those having equal measures. Are you ready to answer? Yes. Your time starts now. Are you ready with the answers? Check your answers now. Angle NIT is congruent to angle SRI and angle LMN is congruent to angle XYZ. You must have got the same answer, right, students? Yes. Let us see this question now. You can also solve with me. Some angles are given below. Using the symbol of congruence, write the names of the pairs of congruent angles in these figures. Angle AOB is congruent to angle BOC because ray OB is the angle bisector. Angle AOC is a right angle. Therefore, angle AOB and BOC will have the same measures as 45 degree. Angle AOB is congruent to angle RST. Angle AOC is congruent to angle PQR. Angle DOC is congruent to angle LMN. Angle BOC is congruent to angle RST. Students, now we know two angles with equal measures are congruent to each other. Now let us understand congruency of circles. Congruent circles are circles that have equal radii. Observe the on-screen figure. Tick mark on radius shows that both circle radius are in equal measures. Observe the circles in the given figure. Here, figure A and figure C circles are congruent circles. Now we know if two circles have same radius, then they are congruent circles. Students, I am sure you must have understood the concept of congruency of circles. Today we have learned congruence of segments, angles and circles. I am sure you must have understood the concept very well. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, then don't forget to hit the like button. To get instant updates, subscribe my YouTube channel UMaths. If you have any question, leave a comment and I will answer you back as early as possible. I will be back with some more new concepts, new videos. Stay tuned with UMaths.